Yo, this is your boy FOG Travel and I'm back for another video. Okay, here's something interesting that happened yesterday. Okay, there was no internet in Zambia. Now, as you know, we just changed governments and we are now in a new government. Okay, we're now under the UPND government. Okay, wonderful government. And there was no internet in Zambia yesterday. Okay, so what exactly happened? Now, this statement is simply the statement that people are giving. That's what people are telling me on the streets of Zambia. Like, hey, do you know, yesterday there was no internet in Zambia. What happened? Okay, why people have become so concerned is that in the previous government, the PPF government or something like that, yeah, we had such a problem. But this time, this problem has got nothing to do with the UPND government. Okay, guys, please bear with the UPND government. They have nothing to do with the internet shutdown of yesterday. And besides, it was not the full internet shutdown. What happened is that the parent company, the company that is the parent company of Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram, is facing some technical challenges. All right, so what's happening is that in some parts of the globe, okay, there was no WhatsApp and there was no Instagram and there was no Facebook for some time. Okay, I remember checking out like my WhatsApp and the messages just went going. So I thought that probably it's just my ISP, you see what I mean? But actually it was a general global problem, because Facebook has even come out, okay, like, you know, you listen to BBC, listen to CNN, okay, they've like been interviewing people from Facebook and they've said that there was a technical issue with what is known as domain name service.
Hundreds of millions of people around the world using some of the most popular social media sites, Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, have been forced offline in a major global blackout. It's one of the longest outages, already lasting several hours, and Facebook's share price has plummeted by nearly 5%. It's not known what's caused the problems or when they'll be fixed. Our consumer affairs correspondent Coletta Smith has the full story.
It's a trilogy of companies with one owner, and this afternoon it was the same message about them all. Facebook is down, Instagram isn't working, and WhatsApp went down too.
The fact that it's global suggests that it's not a problem with its server system. It could well be a problem at the heart of the technological engine that runs all those servers.
Many within the tech industry think it's a problem with the domain name system. That's effectively the internet's address book, and something has been wiped at Facebook, so when you click an app or type the name, users aren't being sent anywhere.
Yeah, it's been a bit of a nightmare us trying to find each other.
Yeah,
had to go back to text.
I'm so glad it's out, and I think the world would be a much better place if it doesn't come back on.
Now, domain name service is a service whereby, for example, when you go to your computer and you type in facebook.com, the computer does not understand facebook.com. What the computer understands is IP addresses. For example, the IP version 4 address could be, okay, 12.10.120. something less than 255. You get what I'm saying? That's an IP address of version 4. Okay, now if, for example, the computer that resolves those human readable addresses like facebook.com to a dotted decimal mathematical, number address, if those computers have a problem and they are failing to resolve, okay, it means that communication is shut down. Now, some of the reports I've heard on CNN, that's what they are saying the problem was, but there's been no official sort of confession from Facebook explaining to us what exactly happened. So if you are somebody who's been following my vlogs and you are from Zambia, disregard that statement that people are saying on the streets that there was no internet yesterday. Okay, the problem was not the internet, it was just applications which run under Facebook, okay, they had a problem because Facebook has had some sort of technical problem yesterday, okay, on the 4th of October 2021. All right, so that's what happened, okay. Please, it's not the UPND government. They haven't done anything. They're innocent people. Leave them alone, because they want us to rock. They want us to move forward, and they mean exactly that. So we are moving forward. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. This problem is an American problem. It happened in the United States, and it's Facebook, okay, which is facing this problem. This is not a problem that has anything to do with our government here. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Now, remember, in some vlogs, I have actually explained that it's very important for people to know exactly what the internet is and what they can do on the internet. And I have published some of my tutorials. If you check Mindshare 911, okay, I've done tutorials there where I explain to people why they should know, for example, what a domain name is. Because if they know what a domain name is, they'll be able to know that, okay, for example, if I want to go to the internet, I don't have to use the Google search engine. I could just go to the internet using the web browser. I could just type that domain name in the address bar, and I'll, go to that website. But a lot of people don't really bother to really know the internet. So when they go on Google, they just type the website address where they're going. So suppose Google is down, what you gonna do? Are you gonna say that website is down? You get what I'm saying? Such type of problems cannot happen if people really know what the internet really is. So there is need for internet service providers. If you are one of my vlog followers and you're an ISP or you work for an ISP, you need to educate your subscribers to know what internet really is. WhatsApp is not internet. Facebook is not internet. Those are applications which run using the internet. You get what I'm saying? Because the internet is a whole lot of things. It's a big, giant place, okay? It's a super highway. Let me give you a little bit of an understanding. Suppose you are in the city, whichever city you are in, whether you're in New York City, you are in Lusaka, you are in Johannesburg, you are in Berlin, wherever you are, St. Petersburg, Moscow, whatever, Japan, Tokyo. Every location, I'm gonna say location, every location has an address. You get what I'm saying? Now, that address is what is used as the identity of that location. If, for example, I want to send a letter or I want to send a parcel to that address, how do I send that parcel to that address? There's gonna have to be a location. I'm gonna have to know what is the name of the street, okay? What is the name of how are you doing? Okay. Hey, we got another YouTuber over here. Okay. What's your name? Okay. This is my neighbor's son. All right. By the way, I'm vlogging from home. This is my neighbor's son, and he's a YouTuber. Say hello, YouTube. Come back. Hello, YouTube. Okay. So, guys, we got some more YouTubers interested in what's going on. Okay, come and say hello. Come and say hello to YouTube. Okay. I got a whole lot of YouTubers interested in greeting you guys. Just say hello, YouTube.
Okay.
Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
Okay, YouTubers. They are greeting you. Okay, so you can holler at them back. All right. Yeah. So this is the YouTube video.
Yes.
So I'm just explaining something to some people who are very far away from here. They're not in this country. They are in the USA. Some of them are in this country, but they're in different parts of the country. All right. Okay. So this camera is not pointing there. It's pointing at me.
Yes, I know.
You can see that, eh? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you guys, that's what I was saying. The internet is a super highway, and just like every city has locations with addresses. Okay, those addresses are what are used as, for example, places where, for example, if I want to send something or if I want to access the address, I need to know those addresses. Same with the internet. Facebook.com is just an address, okay? Yahoo.com is just an address. CNN.com is just an address. If you cannot access that address, it does not mean the whole internet is down. You get what I'm saying? So this is what happened, okay? You guys, do you use the internet? You don't use the internet? But why don't you use the internet? Huh? You don't have internet? Oh, these guys, they say they don't use the internet because they don't have internet, okay? So I'll ask them some questions. Guys, what is Google?
Google.
Yes. Have you ever heard of Google? Do you know Google? Do you know Google.com? Do you know Google.com? What is Google? Okay, first of all, how old are you?
11.
Okay, he's 11 years old and he's going to tell us what Google is. Tell us, what is Google?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
But you should know, every child today needs to know what internet is and what Google is, okay? Google is where we search. If we want to search for either a resource, well, relax. If we want to search for a resource, for example, let's say we want to search for Wikipedia, a website where we can know about something, about a lot of events and people, okay? Wikipedia, if you go to Wikipedia and you say Zambia, it's going to give you the history of Zambia, how Zambia was formed, who has been leading Zambia up to today. You understand? So if you want to learn about Zambia, you just go to Wikipedia, okay? If you want, for example, to learn mathematics, just go to a website like YouTube, okay? Where this video is going. On YouTube, you're going to find different teachers who explain to you how to solve your mathematical problems. So you don't need a teacher. You just need YouTube. You understand? This is the future where we are going. You understand? The internet is everything, okay? It's a pity my little homies and friends here, okay, don't know what internet is. I'm really praying that, every school in this country, Zambia, should know the internet. Okay, guys, these guys just came here because they saw me vlogging. All right. If you haven't subscribed to my videos, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed each time I upload a new video. Okay. So, guys, just say bye-bye internet, bye-bye Google, bye-bye.
Bye-bye internet. Bye-bye.
Okay, they're saying bye to you. Okay, guys, it's been an interesting vlog. Okay, till next time, I'm out of here. Ciao.